Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kamogelo. So on today's video, we're gonna be cooking, but the interesting thing is that we're gonna be cooking using the fire, because I'm in Sepedi and I'm not really home alone because I've got my little brother and my sister's 2 kids. I'm the oldest one, so I'm gonna be cooking, and I don't know if I've ever cooked on the fire. I don't know. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So I'm taking you guys along. I wanna shoot in bed there, guys. I'm gonna take you guys there. We are feeling so timilo or timilo. And just like that, Mloatuka. So, Tibi, the next step, give me a Oh. Mloatuka right now. And yo, guys, I'm babysitting a whole 11-month-old. You know, I've never before. And I've never cooked on the fire before. So, it's a very exciting experience, you guys. I'm so excited to cook on the fire. Guys, another thing that I just remembered, since all early heritage month, and again and stuff, maybe give vlog ka Sepedi. So from now going forward, English give vlog ka Sepedi. So for those who can't hear Sepedi, guys, I'm really sorry, and I won't put the subtitles because it's gonna be a lot. So yeah, mo kitla bolelang English letla no nkwa mara mo kitla bolelang Sepedi le gona a letla tla le nkwa. So yeah, jalo ke vlogga ka Sepedi because yeah, happy heritage month. And yeah, Tatuka, guys, it's so hot in here actually. Ya go dia go rule to ke ka pela. So let me see what black I got. Mumulo. What makes come things? Yo, Linanki Bucha. I often barking irkitling school. Kipilaki kifetlakan to rats barking a whisker. So I can show or more I a whisker. So I could do you 1 hour. I ring fast. So yeah, guys, let me actually put her down so I can vlog. Yeah, I was saying worry. I think lefetho then who do so I always use a whisker so I mean timbisa. So yeah, and that's very interesting. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully no perfect. This oh, chickens. Rita, one al cool. Hey guys, go work in my lupung lawan. Bonang Messi Avila le nang tla ke botjeng go Messi Avila wa bona jwa. Guys, nane ke lebetse gore gape ina molwa se a 4-plate stove or whatever. So bikina ga go bapia bo be le sebo kana go di, but then ka gopola gore no gabotse e tlhoke bana batho ba pele batho ma ka shebo. And then also ka botsisha TV and then arbato makashebo, so kitlo makashebo sing bogobe pele. So I'm gonna put Rita down and then I'm gonna start. So guys, na maika potong guys, I've already added a bit of salt in here, and now I just started to add water. It's not a bit, but hey, you know, it's a little dry. So then So ke tlo khurumela go di go bele nama e butswe ke tlo no fela ke itlhola ke tshikulisha then ge yela go butswa ra gadika sa e gateka. Yo guys bele tseba gore mo botse biro le la Sindebele so ge ke thoma ke re sa gadika yeah sa gadika. Ai I'm gonna ask my mom le mamgolo ge ba boya gore ha botse ba re go diwang but yeah let's thoma se butswa tlo se gadika but for now se sane letswai le ntho ga tsing fela letswai le metsi ngere so sharp guys ke tlo no fela ke tla ke no re hello yeah yo yengwe ntho ke sentse ke go tlhobola jersey ke bere jersey ke sentse ke go tlhobola jersey goreng ke phone like sentse ke tlhole jersey ke ya bereng la bona ine so re ke ntse ke apea ya dia inor milong ke tla ke tuka apa melwanya ke mothunyana mo careless lati so melo aina ke mothunyana o ka re o careless o tlo feletse o tukile ka go ntlwaneng jwale ke sa ganya ka gore ka go ya re ga shebong nga chela nka tshuna for now e khaba ka letswai le metsi fela so e reng ke buleng fridge jwale ke bona gore nka se bone whatever or I already no rocks or whatever but I've already added letswai so no rocks can work at this point so ke tla bona gore ke ra nka fridge ke tshele le ona ra experiment. Oh guys diaboya oh what is ya rope ka mollo oh go fisha khut go ya go apea ka mollo go nyaka o fela o inwa metsi di ice yo kana go ke sa pele setshebolena ke sa pele nama then after that ke tlo apea gravy then after gravy ke tlo apea so la bona ngere gore leto isa le telele tot awara ka mo go pisa botlolo ka mo yo ya ke se re ke go di metsa di ice yey ke tsere jeke ka tshela le batla le ice teng so ka tshela le metsi I'll show you like I'm watching gore metsa a tonya then ke no metsa a tonya re ke ntshekile ka kumolong bona ibile ga dikerile yo e butsitse guys go nele ke e tlhatlotse a ke bete for mthama wa peang ka mollo la mathomo yo bona nganyana Thembisa o dileng yes girl why aliso hore go ba le bothata atima mollo girl already at first attempt failed. I can't do this. I can't do this. I don't think it will be a journal ring at some. You give up it. Guys, to make a lifesaver, like you give up it, to be to be Loisha Bona. To be is just gonna do the whole thing. Mana journal give up it. Yo, but that's it, guys.